Welcome to the channel. I am Charlie. Today I got Land Rover Evoque 2017 model 2-liter engine, basically DPF block. We'll see what happened inside. Also, I'll check oil level, coolant level, everything okay. And this customer came 8th of January 2024 this year beginning, and I cleaned the DPF. This customer doesn't want to do my assessment. He need to just clean the DPF. Then I done the DPF in that time, and there is a underlying issue there. I can't remember exactly what happened in that time, but I explained to the customer that time, do the necessary action. However, he didn't do anything. He turned up again today, 4th of September. He came back after 8 months again, same problem, and the little bit engine sounds not good for me, like a huge back pressure sound. I'm going to start the car. Engine light on. You can hear the engine. Yeah, bit knocking sound. Look like to me huge back pressure. However, I'm going to check with computer what's going on here. And also, if you want to join our WhatsApp group, please text me join in to 00447551021029. Then I will sign up you and also use for only vehicle repairs. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Right, we'll see what happened with the computer. I can see 9 faulty code under engine management. We'll see what's going on. Invalid data received from air cooler, coolant pump, diesel particular filter deteriorated. Right, NOx exceeded, reduction injector. Basically, it's also reduce injector circuit open bank 1. Look like to me AdBlue. Diesel particular filter pressure too low, could be clog up. Alright, camshaft position sensor A circuit. Basically, this one coming to the slightly timing problem also well, but however, and they talk about the glow plug control module system also well. Yeah, little bit problem for the DPF block. However, he don't want to do any other repairs. He needed just clean the DPF. Then I can't do much for that one, but I'll explain to the customer what's going on and what happened. However, again, I'm going to clean DPF. Before that, read faulty codes. Right, now I'm going to take a DPF pressure reading. Right, you can see while vehicle idle 40% millibars, 30% millibars, basically bit high. Right, and engine sound also not good. However, as a first step, as he requests, I'm going to clear DPF and come back to you. But I'm not going to show you how am I going to clean the DPF. You know, normally we need to jack up the passenger side and read to the sensors and inject chemical from there. After that, I'll do the process. But if you need to know how am I going to do the process, you have to follow our other videos. Anyway, I'll go to the cleaning process straight because I don't want to spend more time for this car.
A few moments later.
Right, already done the cleaning process. Then after that, I'm going to remove everything. Then next step, I need to play with the computer and have a look. Right, next step, I'm going to start the car. Right, after that, leave it 15 minutes running and come back to you. I left it running 15 minutes, and you can see now differential pressure came to the 10. It was 30, now it's 10, but still the thingy high, but the pressure, like the engine sounds bit high. We'll see 2500 rpm. Yeah, it's like a 30, 2500, 30, all pressure good for me. Then I'm going to exit from here. Now my job done. But however, I'll try to reset this light if I can, because he just need to clean the DPF, but not good leave it as it is, because they are going to measure in from this light. They don't want to know what happened inside, but they try to identify with this light. Then however, I'm going to reset the light if I can. However, I'm going to reset this light. It might be come back again, but I can't do much for that. First of all, I'm going to clear DTC. Cleared. Yeah, right. This one I can't do much for this problem, because this glow plug module, basically he need to replace the glow plug module. If it not, gradually this DPF sign come back again, because end of the day every problem in the engine bay, it's affected to the exhaust system or DPF. I'm going to switch off the car and I'm going to start the car. Right, you can see as it is, engine management light disappeared and also all fine with there. And I'm going back again. I'm just try to read the faulty code. The just still there, but same time after the cleaning process I reset the value for the DPF also well. However, now everything fine. I'm going to hand over to customer as it is and I'll ask him to take a quick action. If you not take a quick action this time, if he will ending up with this car, because the first stage he will not take any action. Now little bit worse stage this time after 8 months. But if he have another 6 month, 1 year, if he not look after the car, I'm going to sorry for the customer, because I know what happened end of the day. Anyway, thanks for watching. You know, if someone started middle of the way job with us, what happened and what's going on. However, I done my job in the DPF, but he have a lot of faulty codes, but he had to sort out glow plugs and he had to sort out the timing also out slightly. Big expensive job. Anyway, I'll leave it with him. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you. Thank you. See you in the next video.